Today is club day!
Wait, does that mean no one's gonna watch the morning report?
Well, it is a low viewership day and we have club day.
Awesome. Because there's a few things I like to get off my chest. First, you remember Miss Anderson's pen suddenly disappeared? I'm the one who did that.
I don't think.
Second, you know why there's no more rose bushes by the baseball field? I'm the one who chopped them down.
This
Third,
is not really.
I'm the person who showed the pictures of Pollen without hair and spread the rumors about him being completely bald.
Hey, that was you.
Buenos días, Topeka High. Mi nombre es Addison.
Bonjour Topeka High, mon nom est Valentine.
Hey guys, can we go in English, please?
I guess. So, is there anything that you would like to get off your chest?
No, I'm good.
Time is running out to order your 2023 yearbook. Sales need to be turned in by January 27th. A limited number of books will be ordered for sale after that date. But to ensure that you have your book, place your order now. The cost is $60 at yearbookforever.com.
Head to the Trojan Cup for your quick boost of caffeine or a fruity smoothie. Remember, they open before school and during both lunch.
Today is the last day to purchase bowling shirts. Please help the bowling team reach its goal. They only need to sell a few more items.
Shout out to the following Trojan musicians who made All-State in large group music event competition.
These students auditioned against hundreds of others across Kansas to be selected to these positions.
Grace Erin flutes,
Andrew Anderson cello,
Otto Lane alto voice,
Jamie Ramos alto voice,
and Zachary Rivera tenor voice.
By the way, Miss Antonetti will be presenting statewide clinics for the Women Band Directors Association of Kansas and Student Voice and Student Choice in the music classroom.
And a shout out to the Trojan men swim and dive team who placed third in Lawrence yesterday.
Now for upcoming events.
Today, men basketball at West's,
Wrestling at Paola,
tomorrow, bowling at Bishop Miege,
and also the TIT continues. That's all we have for you today, Topeka High.
and remember, towers up.
And we're out.
Este viejo no sabe nada y es calvo.
Ouais, ces cheveux sont trop moches.
Hey, you guys talk about it.
And now my love for you is so strong.